What's up, guys? Ricky. You guys have probably seen me before. There's a... Oh, nope. It's too bright outside. Oh, see my bay. This is my bay number 2.
We're gonna try and take this for a rip. And I think I fixed everything. Of course, I've said that multiple times. But we're gonna find out.
As you can tell, I'm not in a seat. So we're being filmed in Mexico, where I'm born.
Yeah, it's definitely filmed in Mexico. Oh, this is scary. This is scary.
Bye! Oh.
Did I just scrape my exhaust? Probably just scrape. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna scrape it again. Here we go.
Alright, guys. It's nice knowing you on YouTube.
It drives alright.
Smells like oily burn a little bit.
It does?
I don't know if that's just me though.
I really don't smell shit, but who knows? Oh, this is scary.
This is the part where we go to jail. Let's get this done, boo boo.
Oh god.
That girl was like, what the hell?
Why? It looks great.
Yeah. I'm in the seatbelt, guys.
So it's running way too rich. What? Are we smoking out the back?
I don't see anything.
Woo! I fixed the oil smoking. That actually felt kind of fast. Go! What the fuck are you doing?
Fucking.
Jesus
As you can tell, we're in front of morons.
That was only...
Oh my god, fresh air.
See how much PSI?
It was under, like, right under 5.
It was under 5?
Like, right there at 5.
We need to crank up the boost.
Take 2, guys. We bumped up the PSI to 10. See how it
Think.
goes. We think. Oh yeah. Wow! You hit 10.
I did?
It was like right there at 10.
Alright, we got it right.
We look like a fucking car meet here.
Come on, baby.
It was at this moment Jackson knew. He fucked up.
I need mirrors.
This is Joe being a retard, guys.
Oh fuck, Patrick. Just ran out in front of me.
That's why you guys buy a Subaru like mine. Not this.
Wait, are we good? Fuck. It didn't smoke! And we hit 10!
It kind of smoked.
I mean, I think it's gonna smoke always for a little bit. So I'd say that's a success. We're gonna start working on the body work, keep you guys with it. I'm gonna have another guy look at it, make sure it's tuned properly, just because. But yeah, and then we'll crank up the boost even more. Fuck it. So, cut the bumpers. The front bumper fits. Let me see. So we cut it there. And here's my great cutting job with the Dremel. So basically it fits on. That's all good. Here's Ricky WRX. Ricky, have you showed them your FP grain yet?
I don't think so.
So there's an FP grain. We're doing a 2.2 liter stroker on this Subaru. There's the CTSV from yesterday. Yeah, this thing should be pretty quick too. Battery's about to die, so if I get it on, post a picture. Probably won't today though. So dope.